Far beyond, a beacon of destiny ignites, signaling challenges. Gravity itself twists around them, hinting at forces beyond understanding. Ancient symbols awaken curiosity and fear, whispering forgotten truth.
The voice of the archivist resonates within his mind.
Humanity's hands awaken old powers, unaware that their actions stir the sleeping shadows.
A predator born of shadows hunts them, its hunger for memory relentless.
Above a world in chaos, Arin descends from the void.
The Titan falters, its corruption unraveling under the force of creation.
In the endless void of space, the Echelon 9 drifts silently.
Alone on the bridge, Arin Hale senses a signal unlike any known, pulsing with hidden intent.
The pulse repeats, structured and deliberate, as if someone or something was calling. Each flash on the screen deepens the mystery, igniting a mix of fear and curiosity in Arin's gaze.
Gravity itself twists around them, hinting at forces beyond understanding.
The ship approaches the rogue planet, a world marked as lifeless, yet whispering secrets in the dark. A colossal ring emerges in orbit, alive yet alien, its presence defying reason. Arin's breath catches as he confronts a creation that should not exist. The ship drifts helplessly, drawn by the ring's mysterious force.
Breaking through the barrier, the crew enters a realm where reality itself bends. Every step pulses with energy, a heartbeat beneath his feet in an alien world.
Ancient symbols awaken curiosity and fear, whispering forgotten truths.
The weight of forgotten memories overwhelms him, bending his perception of reality. He awakens to a presence that transcends comprehension, luminous and faceless. The voice of the archivist resonates within his mind, speaking truths he was never meant to know.
Humanity's origin.
A shadow rises, a predator from the void, distorting reality with every movement. The Nullborn manifests in terrifying form, its hunger for memory palpable.
A pathway of light opens.
Every step is a race against annihilation, as the shadow pursues relentlessly.
At the heart of the vault, a sphere pulses with life.
Earth. Within the void, memories of countless worlds spin around him, a legacy of creation and destruction. The architect's light flows into human DNA, crafting a successor to carry their cosmic will. Darkness devours light, and civilizations crumble beneath vestures. In the records of eternity, he sees himself, chosen, returning to the chamber. The weight of revelation presses on him, heavy as the void itself.
The vault's secret, a last resort, a key to saving all that remains. A star-like seed emerges, a core of creation itself, waiting for the one who can wield it.
Earth trembles under a shadow unseen, its skies darks. Guided by the vault, he descends further into the orbit.
Humanity's hands awaken old powers, unaware that their actions stir the sleeping shadows. Dark tendrils creep across the oceans, consuming life and bending nature to their void. A child protected, a device hidden. Threads of destiny converge upon him now. The hidden key awakens, resonating with the power within him, binding him to the vault. The shadows erupt, destroying memories and threatening to erase the past entirely.
Time and gravity distort as they flee, racing against an unstoppable darkness. A predator born of shadows hunts them, its hunger for memory relentless. Light fights against darkness, a fragile shield against annihilation. Ascending toward hope, he leaves chaos behind, propelled by fate and fear. Every pulse of light courses through the walls, guiding him through a living artery of the cosmos.
The clock of fate ticks, Earth's survival hanging by a thread. The Archivist warns, only Arin can carry the core. The shadows crash into the hall, tearing apart reality with each strike.
A portal to Earth appears, turbulent and foreboding, beckoning him into the storm. As the hall collapses, Arin vanishes into the portal, carrying hope across the void. Above a world in chaos, Arin descends from the void, carrying the light of the vault.
The core's energy anchors him, guiding his descent through turbulent skies. Below, a city lies in ruin, overtaken by shadows that twist and consume.
Civilians flee in peril, hunted by creatures spawned from the darkness itself.
A monstrous titan emerges, a living embodiment of destruction and void.
Void energy tears through the city, a storm of destruction Arin must evade.
A dome of golden light shields the innocent, holding back the darkness for precious moments.
The core shines like a sun reborn. From the darkness, minions swarm, relentless and unyielding. He races through the crumbling city, light and shadow colliding with every step.
Each leap carries him closer to salvation. Each impact shakes the ground with chaos.
At the heart of the city, the energy tower waits, fragile yet vital. Within, a forgotten engine hums, a beacon of hope for a dying world. The core melds with the engine, awakening a power unseen in eons.
A wave of radiant energy sweeps the city, banishing darkness in a blaze of light. The Titan falters, its corruption unraveling under the force of creation. He becomes a vessel of celestial power, transcending mortal limits. In a last desperate strike, the Titan lunges, determined to consume all light. Piercing the darkness, heralding a new dawn for the planet. Hope emerges in human hearts as the Savior returns from above. He watches as Earth breathes again, life and energy flowing through every corner. The Archivist whispers, reminding him that the war has only just begun. Far beyond, a beacon of destiny ignites, signaling challenges yet unseen. With resolve burning, Arin steps into the future, a warrior forged by light against the void.